Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove animations from your slideshows, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I have this slideshow, which I have made with sort of a timer for another tutorial that I've done, and I'll be using this to demonstrate how to remove animations. Now, if I go and select one of these objects and go to the animation tab, you'll see that all of these objects have an animation tied to them, and they all have a sort of settings menu here. Now, if I play this, if I preview this, as you can see right now, they'll start disappearing since this is a timer of sorts. But if you want to remove these animations, in my case, it is the disappear animation, what you want to do is just select the object you want, scroll all the way up in the list of animations, and just click none. And that's literally all you have to do. Your animations will be removed. And then if I click preview, as you can see, this doesn't disappear, this disappears, and this disappears. And if I remove it from this, whoops, excuse me. If I remove it from this, then just the one will disappear, as you can see here. And if I remove it from the one, everything will, well, stop being animated pretty much. And that is pretty much it. As you can see, the preview button has now gone gray. And keep in mind, this is an older version of PowerPoint, but this sort of persisted throughout the versions that are active now. So that is pretty much all you need to know and all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.